Farm Animals Beginning Sound Quiz. Hi kids, welcome to the Farm Animals Beginning Sound Quiz. Let's meet our farm friends and guess their first sound in their name. Are you ready? Let's go! Cow. Which sound does cow begin with? Ka, ma, sa. Cow start with ka. Great job, kids!
Sheep. What's the beginning sound of sheep? She. S. C. The answer is sha. Sheep. Begins with sha. Baba, you are clever.
Quack, quack. What sound begins chicken? Cha. C. S. Answer is cha. Chicken begins with cha. Cluck, cluck. Horse. Which sound does horse start with? H, R, P. Answer is horse start with H. Nah! Fantastic answer. Goat. What's the first sound of goat? G, B, T. Goat begins with G. Meh! You are great! Duck. Which sound does duck begin with? Q, D, L. Duck start with D. Quack, quack. Super job! Rabbit. Rabbit. What sound begins rabbit? R, B, H. Answer is rabbit start with R. Hop, hop. Cat. Which sound does cat begin with? C, K, both. Answer is both. Cat makes the K sound. Meow, meow. What's the first sound of dog? D, G, R. Answer is dog start with D. Wow, wow, you did it. Which sound does turkey begin with? T, G, B. Turkey start with K. Gobble, gobble. Rooster. Which sound does rooster begin with? R, C, D. Answer is rooster start with R. Wow! You get all the beginning sound. You are a phonics superstar. Clap for yourself. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more fun learning on Smart Kid Farm Fun. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Little Learner Club for Beginners.